to Math with Aradha. Today we are going to uncovering the secrets of greatest common factor or GCF. By the end of this video, you will be the GCF master. Ready to solve any problem with confidence? So let's dive in and discover the magic of GCF together. So, what is greatest common factor? The greatest common factor or the GCF is like the superhero of numbers. It is the largest number that can divide into two or more numbers without leaving any left over. Also known as the greatest common divisor (GCD). The GCF helps us simplify fractions and solve math problems efficiently. Ready to become a GCF superhero? Let's get started with our first example. So our first example is finding the GCF of 12 and 18. So let's solve this puzzle. In this, our first step is to list all the factors of 12 and 18. Okay, so the factors of 12 are, we are going to write here 12 factors of 12. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12. Now we are going to list all the factors of 18. So the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Okay, these are the factors of 18. Now what we are going to do is we are going to see which are the common factors, like list all the factors of each number. We have did that. Now we need to list all the common factors. Okay, not the greatest common factor, we are going to list common factors. So the common factors are 1, 2, 3, 6 and no more. We have here the common factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. These are the common factors. Now we need to see which is the greatest common factor. So we know that these are the common factors and the greatest one is 6. So it means 6 is the GCF, greatest common factor of 12 and 18. Okay, so yeah, like this. So the GCF of 12 and 18 is 16. Imagine you have 12 and 18 pieces of candies and you want to share them equally with your friends. You can make a group of 6 candies each. This is where GCF can help you in real life. So yeah, now let's move to the next example, which is find the GCF of 24 and 36. So ready for some math magic? So in this we are going to also list all the factors of 24 and 36. So the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now we are going to list all the factors of 36. So the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. So these are the factors of 36. Now we are going to list all the common factors. Okay, so the common factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, and yeah, that's it. So the common factors we got here is I'm going to write it here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now we are going to see which is the greatest common factor. We have list all the common factors. Now we are going to see which is the greatest common factor. So the greatest common factor is 12. So it means GCF, the greatest common factor of 24 and 36 is 12. Okay, so yeah, like this. Now let's move to our next example. Okay, now let's find the GCF of 15 and 25. So let's break down that together. So we are going to list all the factors of 15 and 20. So the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now we are going to list all the factors of 25. So the factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. That's it. Now we are going to see which is the common factor, which are the common factors in this list. So the common factors are 1 and 5. That's it. We have only two common factors, which is 1 and 5. Now the greatest one is 5. Yeah, so it means the GCF of the 15 and 25 is 5. Okay, like this. So the GCF of 15 and 25 is 5. It's like having 15 and 25 balloons and wanting to make the biggest equal bunches. So we can make bunches of 5 balloons like that. Okay. So yeah. So for the final example, let's find the GCF of 32 and 48. Ready for the great finale? So in this we are going to list all the factors of 32. So the factors of 32 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Now we are going to list all the factors of 48. So the factors of 48 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48 like this. Okay, now we are going to see which is the common factor. So the common factor are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. That's it. So the greatest common factor is, we have listed all the factors, but the greatest common factor is, like we have listed 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 as our common factors, but the greatest one is 16. So it means greatest common factor of 32 and 48 is 16. Okay, so the GCF of 32 and 48 is 16. Imagine you have 32 and 48 pieces of Legos and you want to build a largest essential tower. You can make tower of 36 pieces each like that. Okay, so yeah, and there you have it. We have uncovered the magic of greatest common factor and the 4 fun examples. Remember, the greatest common factor is the largest number that can divide two or more numbers without leaving a remainder. Understanding the greatest common factor helps you to simplify fractions and solve math problems with confidence. Okay, so practice finding greatest common factor and the other pairs of numbers to become a true GCF master. Okay, yeah. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Math with Aradhya, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a math topic you would like me to cover next. So yeah, thanks for watching. Tada, bye bye.